Hey everybody, so happy Veterans Day to all my brothers out there, and today we're going to be doing a mail call from JK Canvas. Will sent me something else, I'm also wearing his hat, so I'll leave some information in the video so you can go check him out. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there, and thanks again for watching. Alright everybody, so I got a mail call to do. I got some mail from JK Canvas YouTube channel. Will's a good guy. I think this is the other t-shirt because the one of the t-shirts he sent me was 2X, and my wife is wearing that t-shirt. Just way too big for me, but my wife loves the shirt, and I also wanted to wish Will a happy Veterans Day. I know he is a veteran like I am, so if you're watching this, Will, I appreciate your service, brother. And let's get this bag cut open. He sent me a black shirt instead of a gray shirt. Oh, I'm surprised the large logo's not on the back. The first shirt he sent me, there was a large logo on the back and there was a small logo on the front. I might have to get your personal information, bro, one of these days and send you some money to make me a custom shirt for your channel. The shirt is really nice. It is Jersey's Dry Power. It is an extra large. It's got some green fuzzies on it. It's a really nice shirt. I appreciate the shirt, brother. And it's going to be just a short video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and go hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And also, I'll leave a card up here for JK Canvas's channel so you guys can go check him out. This is the hat that I've been wearing for several weeks now. I love the hat. It's very comfortable. Maybe go over there to his channel if you like what you see. You know, maybe pick up a shirt from him or a hat, or I'm not sure if he's got these for sale yet or not, but I'm sure he would appreciate it if you go check out his channel. So I'll leave a card up here in the corner, and I'll also leave a card up here in the corner for one of his popular videos. And I'll probably also put one of his popular videos on the end screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Veterans Day, everybody. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.